Hey English learners! Enjoy a hilarious Big Bang Theory story and learn 20 useful English expressions to level up your speaking. Sheldon's date night disaster. It was date night and Sheldon had talked Leonard into helping him prepare. He wanted everything to be spot on for Amy. Leonard was running around the apartment trying to set up candles, while Sheldon obsessively measured the angle of each fork. "Sheldon, stop being so picky," Leonard said, rolling his eyes. "I'm not picky," Sheldon replied. "I'm precise." As Amy showed up, Sheldon tried to play it cool, but accidentally knocked over the wine bottle. It splashed everywhere, including on Amy's new blouse. "Oh dear," Sheldon said, clearly at a loss for words. This wasn't part of the algorithm. Amy laughed, but Penny, who was hanging out with them, couldn't help but burst out laughing. "Sheldon, you really know how to break the ice," she joked. Trying to save face, Sheldon quickly came up with a plan. He'd whip up a new outfit for Amy using old Comic-Con costumes. A few minutes later, she was wearing a Wonder Woman outfit over her dress. "Sheldon, you are one of a kind," Amy said, still smiling. "Indeed," Sheldon said. "Now let's dig in. I made spaghetti following strict protocols." The food turned out to be half-cooked. Everyone just went along with it, pretending it was gourmet. After all, when in Rome, right? Now let's review the 20 useful expressions from the story. 1. Talk someone into doing something. Meaning, persuade someone. Example, Sheldon talked Leonard into helping with his date setup. 2. Spot on. Meaning, exactly right. Perfect. Example, and he wanted the setup to be spot on for Amy. 3. Run around. Meaning, move quickly and busily. Example, Leonard was running around the apartment. 4. Set up. Meaning, prepare or arrange. Example, he set up candles for the date. 5. Picky. Meaning, hard to please. Example, Sheldon is very picky about details. 6. Roll one's eyes. Meaning, show annoyance. Example, Leonard rolled his eyes at Sheldon's behavior. 7. Show up. Meaning, arrive. Example, Amy showed up at the apartment. 8. Play it cool. Meaning, stay calm and confident. Example, Sheldon tried to play it cool. 9. Knock over. Meaning, accidentally make something fall. Example, he knocked over the wine bottle. 10. At a loss for words. Meaning, not knowing what to say. Example, Sheldon was at a loss for words. 11. Hang out. Meaning, spend time socially. Example, Penny was hanging out with them. 12. Burst out laughing. Meaning, suddenly start laughing. Example, Penny burst out laughing at Sheldon's mistake. 13. Break the ice. Meaning, make people feel more comfortable. Example, Sheldon's accident helped break the ice. 14. Save face. Meaning, avoid embarrassment. Example, Sheldon tried to save face with a costume plan. 15. Come up with. Meaning, think of an idea. Example, he came up with the costume solution 16. Whip up. Meaning, quickly prepare. Example, he whipped up a new outfit for Amy. 17. Dig in. Meaning, start eating eagerly. Example, Sheldon told everyone to dig in. 18. Strict protocols. Meaning, precise, strict rules. Example, Sheldon cooked with strict protocols. 19. Go along with something. Meaning, accept something without protest. Example, everyone went along with the bad food. 20. When in Rome. Meaning, do what others are doing in a situation. Example, they pretended the food was gourmet when in Rome. Which expression was new to you? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more fun and useful English stories.